हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल लेट्स लर्न विथ मी। आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे अपोजिट वर्ड्स। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। एक्सेप्ट, रिजेक्ट, एब्सोल्यूट, लिमिटेड, अलाइव, डेड, एंशियंट, मॉडर्न, एब्सेंस, प्रेजेंस, एबनॉर्मल, नॉर्मल, एक्टिव, इनएक्टिव, एक्विट, कन्विक्ट, एडवांटेज, disadvantage, awkward, graceful, alien, native, attentive, inattentive, attract, repel, attack, defend, adversity, prosperity, agree, disagree, allow, disallow, always, never, attach, detach, associate, disassociate, awareness, ignorance, angel, devil, appear, disappear, arrival, departure, ascend, descend, back, in front, background, foreground, backward, forward, bad, good, beautiful, ugly, before, after, being, end, bitter, sweet, below, above, best, worst, black, white, big, small, birth, death, blunt, sharp, body, soul, borrow, lend, bottom, top, brave, coward, broad, narrow, busy, lazy, buy, sell, build, destroy, beginner, expert, ban, allow, breadth, length, balance, difference, calm, excited, careful, careless, cancel, confirm, catch, drop or miss, cheap, expensive, child, adult, clean, dirty, clever, stupid, close, open, cold, hot, complicated, simple, compliment, insult, connect, separate, charitable, uncharitable, correct, wrong, cry, laugh, change, stay, charming, disgusting, cheerful, cheerless, damage, repair, dangerous, safe, dark, light, dawn, dusk, day, night, dead, alive, decent, indecent, decided, doubtful, deep, shallow, defective, perfect, defend, attack, defeat, victory, desperate, hopeful, difficult, easy, division, unity, deliver, collect, definite, indefinite, delay, advance, decrease, increase, early, late, easy, difficult, educated, illiterate, elementary, complicated, eligible, ineligible, encourage, discourage, endless, limited, energetic, lazy, efficient, inefficient, emotional, unemotional, employed, unoccupied, entrance, exit, enormous, tiny, factual, untrue, favor, disfavor, fearful, bold, faithful, unfaithful, failure, success, faint, strong, famous, unknown, familiar, formal, fascinate, bore, fertile, infertile, finish, start, fine, poor, flexible, stiff, general, specific, generous, selfish, gentle, cruel, glad, sad, greedy, generous, grow, decrease, grief, delight, grave, carefree, get, leave, genial, unkind, grand, interior, gain, loss, give, take, holy, impious, hollow, solid, hold, release, horse, soft, helpful, useless, harmful, beneficial, hard, soft, hasty, slow, healthy, unhealthy, heat, cold, hearten, depress, halt, being, handsome, ugly, ignorance, knowledge, illegal, legal, eligible, legible, immortal, mortal, innocent, guilty, initial, final, inhale, exhale, inferior, superior, include, exclude, injurious, innocuous, imaginary, real, immature, mature, independent, dependent, jealousy, trust, join, separate, joyful, sad, juicy, dry, justice, injustice, just, unjust, junior, senior, kind, unkind, known, unknown, knowledge, ignorance, keep, give up, keen, blunt, last, first, lack, sufficiency, lazy, active, lead, follow, lend, borrow, lift, drop, light, dark, lock, unlock, local, national, live, dead, little, big, like, dislike, link, separate, main, minor, make, destroy, manage, mismanage, manual, automatic, mean, generous, merge, split, mild, harsh, mighty, tiny, maximum, minimum, merry, gloomy, militant, peaceful, mend, break, mad, sensible, narrow, wide, notice, ignore, neat, untidy, naughty, decent, noisy, quiet, nervous, bold, nothing, something, neglect, attentive, normal, abnormal, never, always, nutritious, unhealthy, none, many, natural, artificial, obedient, disobedient, objection, approval, observe, ignore, occupied, vacant, offend, delight, official, unofficial, often, never, opposite, same, ordinary, extraordinary, origin, end, order, disorder, optimistic, gloomy, abstract, flexible, pacific, hostile, pack, unpack, particular, general, passive, active, patience, impatience, peace, war, peak, bottom, penalty, reward, perfect, imperfect, permit, ban, physical, mental, precious, cheap, popular, unpopular, quarrel, agreement, quick, slow, quite, loud, rare, common, radiant, dark, random, deliberate, rapid, slow, regular, irregular, remove, put on, recognize, forget, receive, send, reply, ask, remember, forget, sacred, secular, satisfaction, dissatisfaction, save, spend, secret, public, selfish, unselfish, simple, complicated, shrink, stretch, shame, honor, spiritual, material, support, neglect, suspend, resume, sympathy, hostility, synthetic, natural, take, give, tall, short, tasteful, tasteless, tense, relaxed, terrible, brilliant, tidy, untidy, tie, untie, tough, easy, transparent, cloudy, trouble, peace, ugly, beautiful, ultimate, first, understand, misunderstand. Union, separation, universal, particular, upward, downward, urgent, casual. Vacant, occupied, valid, invalid, valuable, cheap. Vanish, appear, vanity, modesty, variable, constant, visible, invisible, vulgar, mannerly, vigorous, weak, wake, sleep, war, peace, warm, cold, weep, laugh, whole, part, win, lose, wise, silly, young, old, youth, old age. Jenny, conventional, Jill, indifference, Zenith, bottom. तो ये थे आज के अपोजिट वर्ड्स। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर करें, और चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए। इससे मेरे आने वाले सभी नए वीडियोज की नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले मिल जाया करेगी। मिलते हैं मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय।